Acholi women are more than just cornerstones of their communities. They are a symbol of resilience and cultural pride. From the vibrant dances of La Raga Raga to the delicious meals they prepare with love, every aspect of their lives reflect the depth of their heritage. They are the storytellers, the nurturers, the builders. Despite the challenges life throws at them, Acholi women rise with unmatched strength, rebuilding their families, communities, while staying rooted in their tradition. And let's not forget their undeniable elegance. Whether they are dressed in traditional attire or modern fashion, they carry themselves with grace that turns heads and tells a story of dignity and pride. If you ever had a chance to experience the warmth of their hospitality or witness the depth of their dedication, then you know exactly why Acholi women are celebrated. Let's give them the honor they deserve today and every day. Big up.